Getting started is seamless. The first way to add your tools is the classic approach. Select your group, click Add App, and browse directly for your shortcut. For a faster flow, try the toggle drag. Simply pull any shortcut over the toggle button to reveal the interface, then drop it right into place. Use the global hotkey. Grab your shortcut, press your hotkey to show Deskepty, then drop it right into place. Finally, there's Organize mode. When active, Deskepty stays pinned to the front, allowing you to bulk drag and drop multiple shortcuts without the window hiding. To rename any group, simply double-click the title, type your new label, and hit Enter. To manage your workspace at scale, use Control-click to select multiple groups, or simply hit Ctrl-A to select everything at once. Once selected, you can right-click the group title and choose Delete to remove them instantly. Alternatively, just select your group and press the Delete key. For individual shortcuts, simply right-click any icon to delete it from your group, or hold Ctrl then right-click to delete. Made a mistake? Don't worry, Deskepty supports up to 5 levels of undo. Just hit Ctrl-Z to instantly bring your deleted icons back. When it's time to refine your layout, enter Organize mode. This unlocks your workspace, allowing you to freely drag and drop both groups and icons into any configuration that fits your workflow. Hold the Alt key while dragging. This allows you to instantly swap icons between different groups, making complex reorganization a breeze. Deskepty is built for power users with complex setups. When you move the toggle button and the app window to a second monitor, the software intelligently detects the change. The app is smart enough to automatically adjust for different resolutions and DPI settings. Whether you're moving from a high-res 4K display to a smaller screen, the interface scales perfectly to maintain its crisp look. To finalize the calibration, simply restart the app. Deskepty will save your new coordinates, ensuring that your custom layout stays exactly where you left it on the second monitor every time you boot up.